welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and it's time for another one of my really quick one eyeshadow looks. Running really short of time today and literally have places to be. We're going to use this Urban Decay single in the shade Spike. The shade is super pretty. I've done like an orange before. This is my first time using this one, so let's see how this works out. I'm just going to use a nice fluffy blending brush. I already have a no color powder on my eyes. We're just going to jump right in. If you do these looks, please put down a powder on your eyes, set your primer, otherwise these won't work out. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just going to go over in this outer corner and really just start putting this down. And now I'm going to grab a smaller fluffy brush and build it up some. And then a smaller blending brush. We just get smaller and smaller as we go and more densely packed as we go to really build up the intensity. So this is my first time using the Urban Decay single shadows. This is a swatch of it. What I'm noticing when I swatch it is it likes to skip. So this is actually turning into more of a review of this than a look, because instead of it doing what I wanted it to do, I'm having to blend it, blend it out into a look that I wasn't exactly going for, which is really similar to a look that I've done before, and I don't love that I had to do that. I think for this look, to make it different than other looks, I am going to add some glitter to this. I'm going to use my Stila liquid eyeshadow, so this is no longer a one shadow look. It's technically two, sorry. I love these. This one is Kitten, and they are just beautiful and super easy to work with. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyeliner and stuff, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little more of this on my small little blending brush and just do under my eyes. So that's it for my eye look. I'm sorry that this turned into kind of a review of this particular shadow. I don't know what the rest of their singles are like. I've only ever bought before in their palettes, but their palettes had these that came out, and I loved those ones. So I don't know if it's this shade or not, but this shade likes to grab the creases in your eyelids if you have any, or if you create any while putting your eyeshadow on. I know, because I use the same primer always, how my primer reacts to eyeshadow. If you look really closely, hopefully you can see this, you can see on this side, even with the Kitten, it shows those lines where it just started skipping, and nothing I'm doing is making those go away. I hate those lines. I hate those lines. I'm not, not loving this. I'm not loving this look. Well, I don't hate the look, but I'm not loving the way this turned out at all. I was hoping for something a little different. We've all had those days where it's just a make it work moment. For this shadow Spike from Urban Decay, I gotta tell you, they have other shadows that are way better, and there are other burnt oranges that are way better than that one. It just doesn't blend out for me. Right, it wants to grab things. So hopefully you'll forgive me for it not turning out to what I had hoped it was gonna be. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and share. That really does help my channel out so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!